Fractions. In our previous lesson on fractions, we have learned some basic concepts of fractions like numerator, denominator, like and unlike fractions, equivalent fractions, addition and subtraction of like fractions. Let us learn a few more concepts. Both shaded portions are actually half of the full square. So, 1/2 and 2/4 are equivalent fractions. Their values are same. Testing equivalent fractions. We can find whether any two fractions are equivalent by doing the cross multiplication test. See below for example. Step 1. Write the two given fractions side by side. Step 2. Multiply numerator of the first fraction, 9, with denominator of second fraction, 44. Step 3. Multiply denominator of first fraction, 11, with numerator of second fraction, 36. Step 4. On comparing the results, we see 9 into 44 is equal to 11 into 36, which is equal to 396. Therefore, 9/11 and 36/44 are equivalent fractions. Proper and improper fractions. Fractions can be classified as proper and improper fractions. In the above example, the numerator is less than the denominator. Therefore, 1/4 is a proper fraction. In 14/9, the numerator is greater than the denominator. Hence, this is an improper fraction. Like and unlike fractions. Fractions can be classified as like and unlike fractions. These fractions have different numerators. But all these fractions have the same denominator, 6. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. All these fractions have different denominators. These fractions are known as unlike fractions. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Mixed fractions. We know what are improper fractions. Improper fractions can also be written in a form called mixed fraction. Let us see how it is written. Divide 11 by 7. We get 1 as quotient, 4 as remainder. Now write the remainder and divisor as numerator and denominator respectively. And write the quotient before the fraction. We get the equivalent mixed fraction. To convert mixed fractions into improper fractions, we can compare two like fractions by comparing the numerators only. Step 1. Multiply 1 into 7, that is equal to 7. Step 2. Add 4 to it, that is 7 plus 4 equal to 11. Step 3. Write 11 as numerator and 7 as the denominator. Comparison of fractions. We can compare two like fractions by comparing the numerators only. Step 1. The fractions are like fractions with same denominator. Step 2. Compare numerator, 4 greater than 2. Step 3. Therefore, 4/5 is greater than 2/5. Adding like fractions. We can add like fractions by adding only the numerators and keeping the denominators as they are. Step 1. Add the numerators, 1 plus 3 equal to 4. Step 2. Write the answer as 4/5. Note: do not add the denominators. Subtraction of like fractions. Just like addition, we can subtract like fractions by subtracting the numerators only. Step 1. Subtract the numerators. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. Step 2. Keep the denominators same. Step 3. The answer is 5/9. Example 2. 4 1/9 minus 2 2/9. Step 1. Convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Step 2. Subtract the numerators. 37 minus 20 equal to 17. Step 3. Write the answer as 17/9. Step 4. Convert the improper fraction to mixed fraction. That is 1 8/9.